iMRS Omnium1.com presents the 2024 April Easter promo where you can spring your way to wellness and save. With the iMRS Omnium1 2024 April Easter promo, if you purchase Omnium1 basic set, you will receive 2 free gifts. Receive a free Omni Spot and a free USB kit. With the 2 free gifts, receive first the USB kit. Enjoy the ability to charge on the go. Connect to a laptop and mirror your image, and connect a flash drive or external drive to support or replace your SD card. And finally, also receive the Omni Spot that is utilizing coils that generate the Helmholtz effect, creating a uniform magnetic flux with PEMF coming from 2 directions, ideal for joints and other small areas of the body, and control the applied field intensity over the particular surface. Save today with the 2024 April Easter promo and spring your way to wellness. Learn more or make a purchase, please call 1-866-6921 iMRS. Free shipping for the US and Canada. Thanks for watching. Please like and share.